So you're welcome. This time around, we want to um, apply the knowledge in rationalization to solve the following problems. We are told to simplify A, 2 on 3 root 5. Then the B, 5 plus root 2 on 3 plus root 2. So let's get going. So our first one, which is the A. So we have to simplify this. If you remember, when we were introducing ourselves to the rationalization, we said that to be able to rationalize a fractional set, you multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the irrational denominator. Sorry about this. It's supposed to be 5. So you multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the irrational denominator. So multiplication of fraction is where we are now. So over here 2 multiply 3 to give us 6. Then we continue with this 5. Then with the denominator, what we have is that 9. 3 will multiply 3 can give us 9. Then we have root 5 multiplying root 5, which is root 5 squared. So if you continue, see that 6 root 5 will be the numerator. And the denominator is going to be 9 multiplied by 5, which will give us 6 root 5 on 45. We can simplify this further. Now 3 can go into 6 times. 2 can go into 6 2 times and go into 45 15. And that should be our final answer. 2 and 15 root 5. Now for the next question, let's look at what we were given. So we're given this is what we're given. Remember, we were told that if you want to simplify anything like this, we have to undergo what we call rationalization. So to do that, you have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate pair of the numerator, the denominator, I beg your pardon. So the conjugate pair is going to be the negated version of the positive, or the inverse of the positive. So that's what we're going to get. So the top is going to be, the denominator is going to be binomial multiplying itself. Right, in this case, you're going to use the for method so that you will not spend much time. So the first term you need of the terms here is 5 by 3, which will give us 15. Right, then outside term is 5 and root 2, so negative 5 root 2. Then inside terms is root 2 and 3, so that is plus 3 root 2. Then the last terms first, the last term for the first fraction is root 2, and the last term for the last fraction is root 2. So multiplying will give us 2 out of. Now for the denominator, I realize that it's going to be difference of 2 squares, so 3 squared. So the difference of 2 is going to be 3 squared minus root what? 2 squared. So for the numerator, we realize that we have 15 minus 2 root 2 minus 2, all on, we have 9, right, minus 2. So we can simplify this one. 50 minus 2 is 13. We have 13 minus 2 root 2 all on 7. So if you like, you can go further to separate the fractions. So 13 root 13 on 7. So 13 on 7 minus 2 on 7 root 2. And that should be the final answer for the problem. Thank you.